Welcome to Dynatrace Coffee Break. I'm Daniel Carr. Today I wanted to briefly show you how to set up a synthetic test. So on your side menu, go into Synthetic, then select Add Synthetic Monitor, provide the URL, for example, https dynatrace.com. Then you give that monitor a name, for instance, dynatrace.com. Pick a device, and let's say I want to test this from an iPhone 10 in landscape orientation. You can also provide bandwidth throttling. So let's assume I would like to test this from a regular 3G network. It also has proven as a best practice to put this into your monitor name. So let's say this monitor should now be named iPhone 10 regular 3G. And then I can set up a browser monitor. What I can do now is select the locations across the globe that I would like to use to check this website. So for instance, let's pick Tokyo, Montreal, and then Dublin for Europe. If you're running on a trial instance like myself, you're limited to 3 locations. Then select Create Monitor and you're done.